Today we are going to learn how to add a fade through white transition. This is perfect for creating smooth scene changes with a soft fade that passes through white. First, ensure you have two clips placed next to each other on your timeline. This is necessary for the transition to work properly. Now, go over to the Transitions tab on the left, scroll down, and you'll find the Fade through White transition. Drag it between the two clips on your timeline. To adjust how long the fade lasts, simply click on the transition to select it. Then head over to the right side panel where you'll see the duration slider. Adjust the slider to make the fade longer or shorter, depending on how gradual you want the transition. And that's it. You've added a smooth fade through white transition to your video. Super simple and perfect for creating seamless scene changes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tips and editing tricks.